Let's make a Thalassery style chicken. Complete tactile. Mohanlal says there's not too much of spices, but the taste is phenomenal. Let's move on to the video. Jaws Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can make for 5 guests. Finely sliced red onions 2. Fry in hot oil until golden color. Drain all the oil and keep it aside. Onto a urli or bottom thick pan, add half cup of vegetable oil, 2 sliced onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. By the time, garlic 1, ginger a medium piece, 8 pieces of green chili, and crush it. Crush into fine like this. The onions are just soft now. We can add the crushed ginger, garlic, green chili. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoon of garam masala. The garam masala recipe is there in my channel. And saute for 3 to 4 minutes until the spices are cooked. Chicken, 10 pieces, almost 1 kg 200 grams. On a high heat, add the chicken and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Add 3 teaspoons of salt. Chopped tomatoes, 2 each. Combine well, cook for 3 minutes. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Freshly squeezed lemon juice, half. Combine well. When it starts boiling, cover it and cook for 10 minutes. Remove the cover. Don't put it back again. Let it get dried up. Give a quick mix in between a thick gravy and a juicy chicken. Onto a low heat, add chopped cilantro, chopped mint leaves, and 2 tablespoons of ghee. And combine well. The onions we fried, crush it fine and add to the chicken. Give a quick mix. Turn it off and enjoy. After 20 minutes, you'll get a better flavor. The Thalassery style chicken is ready. The fragrance are phenomenal. Let's taste when it's hot. Wow, super. The ghee, the spices makes it so perfect. If you like this recipe, please try it and give me a support by subscribing my channel, Jaws Moses Kitchen. Bye.